Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making a dedicated Notion page, name it Vision Board, and set full width for breathing room. Next, gather 20 to 30 images and concise phrases. You want variety for visual pruning. Once done, create 3 sections labeled 3 months, 1 year, 5 years. This anchors intention and prioritizes action. Import images into a gallery or inline database right away. Doing so forces choices and reveals themes, which is why you begin with concrete content rather than vague planning. Now design. Switch your inline database to gallery view and pick card size medium or large so images remain focal. Then tag every card with time frame, category, and a priority label. This lets you filter and focus during review. Once tagged, add a one-line action under each image, a tiny next step you can do in 48 hours. Use columns or toggles to arrange themes. This keeps your board readable and makes follow-up consistent, which leads directly into execution. Finish by creating a linked database view filtered to this week. You want a living checklist that syncs with your vision. Then export a PDF snapshot to your phone so you see it daily. Repetition strengthens direction. If things go wrong and the board becomes cluttered, archive low-priority cards and keep just the top 10 images. You regain clarity fast. Make sure to revisit tags and deadlines weekly because small adjustments keep momentum and prevent the board from becoming mere decoration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.